Good morning to everybody who is watching this video. Myself Ayushi, I am a student of BSc Nursing 4th semester at BMRT Captain Saurabh Kalia Memorial Nursing College, Palanpur. So at BMRT, we not only focus on academic knowledge but also about various public hazards and other useful knowledge. So today we are here to discuss one of the public hazard, that is fire, and the most common cause of the public hazard is negligence. So fire contains basically three components: fuel, heat and carbon dioxide. If any one of the component is broken, then the fire itself gets extinguished. So now there are various types of fires. Class A fire, which stands for solids, Class B, which stands for liquids, Class C is for electrical appliances, Class D for metals, and Class K, which includes cooking substances. So now here we have a fire extinguisher. It is an emergency equipment which is used in order. So now let us discuss about the parts of the fire extinguisher. So this includes the handle which is used to hold the fire extinguisher, a pin which is pulled when we use the extinguisher, a pressure gauge through which the pressure is set, a lever which is pulled to take out the extinguisher material from and a high pressure extinguisher. On this side we have the nozzle spray handle and the nozzle spray from which the material in the extinguisher comes out. So now this was the parts of the extinguisher. So there are two methods of fire safety: the race method and the pass method. So firstly, in race method, R stands for rescue anybody who is in the danger of fire. A, alarm, activate the nearest alarm. C stands for contain the fire by closing all the doors nearby. And E stands for extinguish the small fires. Now the pass method, P stands for pull the pin, A stands for aim at the base of the fire, S stands for squeeze the handle of the extinguisher, and S for sweep from side to side at the base of the fire. So now you cannot control these public hazards, but you can act wisely during these hazards. So whenever you are using a fire extinguisher, firstly check its capability, ensure that the refill is done. Before using it, check whether your extinguisher is up to date, and also ensure that you are standing 2 to 3 meters away from the fire, because your safety is first. And if you see this fire spreading too high, then leave the area and call for fire brigade at 108. So thank you everybody. If you like this video, please like it, share and do subscribe and hit the notification bell.